how to rank #1 in Google for any keyword. So to rank on Google, you first have to know how Google works. To know how Google works, you have to use it yourself. So let's put in some of the queries like how did Charlie Chaplin became famous. So as you can see, we have gotten our answer from the Google AI overview, okay? A direct answer. One thing about a direct answer and then the Google AI overview is that when people get their answer, they don't even bother to go to the next website or article to read further. So when you go after queries like this, you won't even get traffic to your website. So let's go to another query or put in another search like how old is Celine Dion? Okay, so as you can see, we have gotten our direct answer from Google. So when you go after queries like this also, you won't even get traffic to your website as well. So there is no need going after queries just like this. So let's go to Google again and then put in another thing like this one. Let's go practical like how to start a backyard garden from scratch. So this one too, we have gotten a direct answer from the Google AI overview. Okay, so beside the Google AI overview giving us a direct answer of what we like or what we want, it has also given us exactly some of the videos, giving us a step-by-step guide on how to start the gardening. So this means that Google prefer videos over articles, okay? So when you go after queries like this too, it becomes also hard to get traffic. Okay, so let's put in other queries like something that is having a buying intent like best microphone for Android phone. Okay, so as you can see, Google is showing sponsored first. Okay, so beside the sponsors, those who are running ads, when you scroll down, you see that Google is also showing an e-commerce website where you can get the microphone from. Beside it also, Google also showing another website that you can buy the microphone from. So to rank on Google, it is all about the keywords that you go after. You have to go after keywords that websites can rank for. So how do you know these keywords? All that you have to do is simply go to Google and then type in keyword2.io and then hit enter. When it comes, come and then select the official site of keyword2.io just like this one. It is going to bring you right here and then make sure that Google is selected. So from the search bar, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in this. Okay, so underscore first, then you leave a space and then you put in the seed keyword. So in my case, it's going to be microphone. You bring a space again and then an underscore. Okay, and then come and then click on the search. So over here you are going to get the total keywords. Okay, and then we have a total keyword of 371 that is related to our seed keyword. All that you have to do is simply go through and then look at the one that you want to analyze. So in my case, I'm going to go with this one, and then we are going to look at these metrics. Okay, so we are going to look at the total search volume, we are going to look at the average trend, and then we are going to look at the CPC and then the competition for the keyword. But as you can see, this one, it is not showing. I'm going to show you a free way to get these metrics. Okay, so we are going to use this keyword research tool called keywordfinder.ai. Okay, so I'm having a link of a video in the video description. You can click on it, watch the video, and then create a free account. And then over here, what we are going to do is that we are going to put in our seed keyword here. So in my case, it's going to be best microphone for iPhone. Okay, and then we are going to click on build report. So when you click on it, you will see that the report will be created for you. It is going to take time, but it's going to create it for you. And then from here, you see that we have our keyword analyzed here, and then on top here, you see that we have our total keyword of 685 keywords. Okay, all that you have to do now is simply come and then click on the keyword, and then it's going to bring you here to the total keywords. Okay, so from here you see that we have all these keywords that we can analyze. All that you have to do is simply come here and then click on the box and then come and then select all keywords. Okay, so when you select it, what you are going to do is that we are going to click on add to chart, and then we are going to add it to the AI chart. So as you can see, the keywords has been added to the AI chart. And then from the AI search bar, come and then type in this one. Okay, from the list of keywords or phrase, pick the topmost best 5 that I can rank for on Google as a new website within 24 hours. All that you have to do now is to simply come and then click on the send button, and then the AI is going to give you from the top list the one that it thinks you can rank on Google as a new website. All that you have to do now is simply come and then highlight all these keywords, okay, and then come and then click on select keywords. So now we are going to put it in our list. So come and then click on my list. So when you click on it, it will be added to your list. So from the top, you see that we have my list here. Come and then click on it. So now we have our keywords that the AI thinks that we can rank for. So let's confirm it by doing our research. So we will see that we have the monthly search volume here for each of the keywords, okay. And so all that you have to do is simply look at the monthly search volume. So you see we have this keyword and then its monthly search volume as well. We have all of them here as well. So you have to pick the one that you want to go after. So I'm going to go after this one, best mini microphone for iPhone, which is having this search volume as well. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on analyze, okay, and then give the system time. So as you can see, it is loading the analysis for us, and then it has successfully analyzed it for us. So this is the first website ranking on the keyword, and that is Amazon. So it has given us the domain authority. Not only that, it is also giving us the page authority as well, and then the domain backlinks of 10 million. Okay, so beside that one too, we have all this. We have keyword notes in URL and all that. So let's look at the second website ranking on the keyword. So this is the second website ranking on the keyword, and then we have the domain authority here, we have the page authority here, and then we have the backlink of 16k as well, and everything is also given as well. We also have the third, and that is Reddit. Okay, we have the domain authority, we have the page authority, and then we have the domain backlinks as well. Okay, so this seems to be a very competitive keyword for a new website. So let's click on it to see. So as you can see from here, we have the keyword right here, and then we have the positioned and then score and then the URL for all the websites ranking on this keyword. So the first spot is Amazon. When you click on the link, it is going to take you to the Amazon website. Okay, so this keyword, even though the AI is saying that we can rank on it as a new website, but it is very competitive and it is very hard. Okay, I won't go for such a keyword. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the metrics here. Everything is here as well, indicating that this is a very hard keyword to go after because you have big websites showing up. So what you're going to do that we are going to go to back, and then we are going to use this formula called a keyword spot. Okay, so when you click on the keyword spot, if you have analyzed so many of them, you are going to find the one having a keyword spot. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. All that you have to do is that you have to come and then click on the setup and then set your keyword spot formula. So to do that, simply come here to the weak spot recipe. Okay, so we have the weak spot recipe here, and then we are going to set the formula. Okay, so to set it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on weak spot recipe to add it. So when you click on it, over here we are going to name our recipe. Okay, so the recipe name, I'm simply going to name it as the keyword I want to go after, that is microphone for iPhone. Okay, and then over here come and then make sure that keyword not in H1 is selected, and then the color for easy is yes. Okay, and then beside that one too, we also have the domain authority here as well. So the domain authority, we are looking for easiest and then easy. So the easy is from 11 to 20. Okay, that is what we are looking for. Beside that one too, we are also looking for the page rank authority, and then we are looking at from the easiest to easy, and then the easy is from 11 to 20. Okay, yes, after that, what you have to do is simply come down here, and then we are going to set our weak spot formula. Over here, the first thing that we are going to use is the domain authority, and then the next thing is that we are going to click on the down arrow and then come and add the page rank authority as well. And then the third one is that we are going to click on the down arrow, and then we are going to select keyword not in H1. Okay, good. So this is our formula for the weak spot. What you have to do is simply come to the top and then come and then click on save recipe. Okay, so we have saved it, and then we have it right here. Okay, now we have to set it as our default formula by simply coming to click on the star so that it will be set as our default. So as you can see, we have set it as our default recipe. Okay, and that is good. Now all that you have to do is simply go back. Okay, and we are going to find keyword having a weak spot. So let me show you how a keyword having a weak spot look like. I have done the research already. So this is the keyword. So all that I have to do is just click on it, and then from here you can see that this keyword, okay, is having one weak spot. So from the analysis that I have done, as you can see, it is shown right here. So let's go to the weak spot. Okay, so from here we are going to click on it, and then from the weak spot you will see that I am having one weak spot, and then this is it. So how does a weak spot keyword looks like? This is how it looks like. It falls within the formula that we have set, okay, which is all this. So we have a domain authority to be that of 7, and then we have a page authority to be that of 11, which falls within our keyword formula. Okay, that is the recipe formula that we have set. So we are going to find keywords that falls within the weak spot, and then we are going to write articles on it, and we will be able to rank on it on Google. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, and then from here all that you have to do is to simply come again and then come and put in the keyword that you want to rank for. As I said, I'm going to go for this, that is best microphone for iPhone. Okay, after that all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on build report, and then over here come and then select the keyword. Okay, so when you select it, what you are going to do is that you are going to analyze all these keywords without asking the AI. Okay, you are going to analyze all of it. So to do that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on this box, and then come and then click on select all keywords. So when you click on it, we are then going to come here to where you have analyze, and then you click on analyze to analyze all of it. And then after that, you are going to find a weak spot keyword, rank on it, write articles on it on Google, and it is surely going to show up. Okay, so this is how to rank on Google within 24 hours as a small website. I'm having a link of a video of how to create a free account in the video description. Just click on it and then I will see you there.